Hey, how are you doing? I'm Chris, and today we're going to take a look at the LIFX Z Starter Kit. The Z Starter Kit is an all-in-one package that brings you right into their ecosystem. It's one of the few smart bulb kits which actually works with Apple HomeKit, as well as Amazon Alexa and Google Home. So let's take a look, shall we? The kit arrives in this neat and well-packaged cylinder. Inside you'll find surface cleaning wipes, a user manual, 2 1-meter strips, the Z controller, and the power block, which is compatible with various plug adapters. You might be thinking to yourself, Chris, something's missing, and you'd be right. Unlike cheaper RGB strips on the market, these don't come with a remote. That's because it's all done in the app or with your voice. Installing the lights was very straightforward. Once I decided where to place them, I peeled off the cover of the 3M tape, stuck it to the back of my desk, and then did the same with the Z controller. But be warned, make sure you know where you're going to put them, because getting these off later might be trouble, because this tape is sticky. Then it was just a case of plugging in the power cord and connecting the Z controller to the strip. Once you've installed your light kit, you now need to head to your app store of choice and download the LIFX app. You'll need to create an account and then run through the install guide. Once everything's registered, then you can start playing with the app. The quality of these LEDs, in my opinion, are simply amazing. The colours are bright and clear, they lighten up your space in the day and look incredible at night with the lights off. Now you might be asking, why did I pick these over a cheaper RGB kit on Amazon or a Philips Hue kit? Well, it comes down to experience. Behind our TV, we have a cheaper RGB strip, and I've had plenty in the past. The light quality isn't the best, customization is next to none, and the TV remote seems to mess with the receiver, which causes the light strip to change colour. And on top of that, the strip can only display one colour at a time. With the LIFX strip, I can program multiple colours across the strip, have them move from one side to the other. There's multiple effects, some fantastic presets, mine currently being the cheerful preset. And the absolute best selling point is the ability to paint colour onto the strip with your finger. This alone is worth the price in my opinion. The app itself, it's not perfect, but it's got great features. You have the ability to set up scenes, which are essentially a collection of your LIFX lights. There's also the ability to schedule your lights, a day and dusk feature that creates a gradient of colours and brightness over the entire day, and there's a fantastic discovery page with a knowledge base, setup guides, and a way to shop for more lights. But ultimately, it comes down to how I feel about the lights. $79.99 is a ridiculously hard pill to swallow, and you only get 2 meters of lights with it. The app isn't perfect and could do with a few changes and feature upgrades in my opinion. For example, when creating a scene, you can't apply an effect to it at that point. The day and night feature, while being good, it's only limited to shades of white, from 2500 Kelvin to 9000 Kelvin. And now, the real kicker. My desk behind me is 140 centimeters wide, so I've only used 1 strip. I could have used 2, but I would have had to cut it down, thus voiding the warranty. But if I wanted to use that strip anywhere in the house, I couldn't, because you need to buy additional Z controllers for each strip. Those are $49.99, and that's quite expensive. However, this is my favorite purchase I've made this year for my setup. It really brings it to life. Yes, it's expensive, and it's complete vanity, and you do not need RGB lights. But what you can do with the strips with the app really set it apart from the competitors and cheaper alternatives. So ultimately, it's down to you whether you want multi-colors on your strip or just one color. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Smash that like button if you like this video, and please consider subscribing. And I'll see you in the next video.